Hello everyone, today we are unboxing a big box. This is a mower, lawn mower, 80 volt max brushless, rear wheel drive, self-propelled, uh, Kobalt. Brand name is Kobalt. I bought this one from Lowe's, a home improvement store. It is basically their brand of products. Item number is 0911051. I will leave a link to it in the description below. This was at a discount price of $550 because it includes 2 batteries and a charger. And these batteries are compatible with any other 80 volt max devices, tools. That could be a blower, trimmer. I actually bought a trimmer as well, and I made a video of it separately. So this is my video for the mower. This comes with 5-year warranty and a 3-year warranty on the battery itself. It says it's 40-minute quick charger, and it has a mulch, rear bag, and side discharge features. It has a 21-inch self-propelled cordless 21-inch blade, and the battery is lithium-ion battery. So without further ado, let us unbox it. So this is a bit heavy, bear with me while I pull it out of the box. Excuse me, it is sunny outside today. Okay, so I'm gonna tilt the camera a little bit so you can see inside. The camera itself is on a tripod, and you can see how they compacted it to fit in a box. So let's go ahead and take the parts out, and I will explain each one individually. Let's move the camera a little bit to the front. Excuse me for the shaking of the camera. Okay, so here is whatever this is. It's guard of some sort, and we've got the charger right here. Looks like the exact same charger that came with the trimmer, so that's one reason I got them both. It's the same charger, same batteries, so I've got twice the charging power. All right, so it is the charger. These little batteries here, boxes, maybe the battery. Okay, so here is box 1 for the first battery. Oh, these are actually blue. The other one was, I think, green. Maybe they are blue, but I just didn't notice. So this is a battery charge indicator, and it has one light, so it needs to be charged. Same thing as the trimmer. The same thing was one light. Okay, so put that down. Here's battery number 2. Right, charge indicator, one light, it needs charging again. Yeah, so I'll put them to charge and then see how this works. This is the bag. I need to use my trusty knife to cut these zip ties. Alright, here's one. Second one. Okay, so this is the attachment bag that you will collect the grass clippings with. Alright, so that's how it looks like. So this is the controls. I'm guessing this is how you control it with all this stuff here. Power button, and I'm guessing the speed, how to go fast and slow. It has a picture of a rabbit for fast, I'm guessing, and a turtle for slow. Isn't that cool? Okay. It is self-propelled, so I'm guessing that's why they have those, so you don't have to push it, it pushes itself. Alright, so now to the difficult part of pulling it out of the box. Okay, take this out. Here you go. This one needs to be attached later. For now, I'll just pull it out of the box from somewhere. That's the gotcha. This is probably the wrong way to pull it out of the box, so don't try this on your own. Okay, so nothing really to it in the bottom except a blade. So the video earlier got cut off while I was taking it out of the box, and that's because I'm filming under the sun and it's very hot. I live in the Raleigh area and it's mid-May, and the temperature, I'm thinking it's above like upper 80s or lower 90s at this time. So the phone just decided to stop because the internal temperature was too high, so I apologize for that. But what happened is I just pulled it out of the box from the end here. You can see that two handles there. So I pulled it out and set it on the floor. That's all I did. So here it is now out of the box, and this is where you will connect it to the front. I'm sorry, to the back. Actually, no, this is the wrong way. This is where you connect it. And then once it is connected, this goes up. Anyway, so let me try doing that. Okay, you put this down. So this comes out, and then this comes out as well. Okay. And then you attach this. Okay, so I'm not sure how to attach this piece per se, so I'll have to look in the manual, which by the way I have not seen. Let's see if it's inside. Okay. Speaking of the manual I have not seen, it's probably inside of here. Yeah, oh, here you go. There is the hardware. Now everything makes sense. I'm like, how do I attach that? Okay. So of course that's where the battery goes. There's it. Okay. So it comes with this kind of warranty card and advertisement for their other product. So the other piece I got is this trimmer right here. I don't need that. I don't need a blower. The vacuum shop vac I got has an attachment on top that disconnects and it becomes a blower, so I don't need that. Whatever that is seems like a cultivator, which I don't know how to use or need at this time, so didn't get it. Anyway, so 21-inch deck width self-propelled mower, user's manual, charger, and a battery. And we've got some hardware here that I was thinking it's for the handle. So we will be attaching these and use it, and we'll see how it goes. I'm not going to use it right now. The battery is charging. Once it is charged, I'll plug it in and we'll use it for a little bit. I may make a video of it working, but if you really are interested in that, we will do that. At this time the battery is charging. Once it's finished, I will connect the handle and use it, and perhaps take a short video of how it's working and how loud it is. Again, this has been an unboxing of a lawnmower. This is a self-propelled 21-inch blade from Kobalt, which is the brand name of products made by Lowe's, a home improvement store. The reason I got it, it is electric, rechargeable battery and all that. I didn't want to get anything with gas engine. Alright, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you learned something from this video, and I will see you later at different videos. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below, and I will be posting a link to the product page on Lowes.com for you to look at and perhaps make a decision. This cost me $550 after discount. Cost me about $510. Usually it is at $600, so I paid about $510 for it, which is a good deal compared to the other ones that are a gas engine. Alright, thank you very much for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. So the first portion of this video was May 2018. That's when I first purchased this mower, and I think at the time the price was $550 or something like that. Of course now is August 2022, 4 years later. I wanted to wait and do a video afterwards after I used it for a year or two, but I didn't intend to wait 4 years. It just so happened. So here it is, the same mower 4 years later. I've used it every year during the summer, of course, for cutting the grass, mainly for the front yard, but the backyard as well, and it's been performing really well. I'll just show you around and quickly. That's how it looks like now after 4 years of usage. There is the battery, that one of the two that came with it. During the 4 years, one of the batteries stopped charging, so I contacted Kobalt and they sent me a replacement battery. During the 4 years, I only needed to replace the blade, and it's been working fine since then. Just noticed maybe this wheel is not balanced, but it doesn't matter. I'm not, driving on the road. So anyway, that's how it looks like, and I was going to just do a little bit of cutting. It's been performing really well. I always use the bagger with it. Sometimes I use the side discharge, but mainly bagging. The handles, the mechanism, all good. I know they have a newer model now that is a bit different, which I also bought, so I'll do a video on that later. But here is this one. So I'm gonna go ahead and start it up. Just kind of push this down, press the button. Actually, press the button and then pull this down. And it's really quiet compared to other ones, so we'll just do a quick push here. So what is cool about this, it has a software or sensor that detects when the grass is too thick, and it puts the mower into higher speed, and that blade, when it's running in higher speed, it cuts faster and better. So that's one of the features that this mower has. Other mowers, I don't know if they do or not. I have a Craftsman that doesn't do that. It's 1 speed. This one is 1 speed until it's thick grass, then it goes into higher speed for the blade and cuts better. So alright, so you saw how the self-propelled function works pretty well. With one hand you just keep it in place, cuts really well. This is how it is. You can see the difference. Maybe not, but I can see it from here. Anyway, yeah, so I just wanted to finalize the video so I can put it on YouTube, and I think I'm gonna do a quick what is it called, hyperlapse video quickly. Well, that is all I can do with the mower. I want to say the 2.5 amp batteries, the blue ones, would last, I would say, around 30 minutes continuous use with the self-propel function in action. The yellow ones that are 2 amp hour batteries would last a little less, but over time that degrades. So in the year number 4, they are not lasting 30 minutes. They last maybe 20-25 minutes, maybe even 20 minutes. So keep that in mind. It's just a normal degradation of the lithium-ion battery. Yeah, everything is good with it. Here you can see the bag is full. I'm gonna go empty it. I've been very happy with it, so there is no complaints. The only thing I would say, maybe replacing the blade once a year or sharpening it once a year would be best. I've been doing it once every 2 years, which is kind of neglect, but you know, it is what it is. Well, thank you so much for watching the video with me. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below, and I will see you all in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Until I see you all, bye.